Not too bad, actually. A little bit breezy up here, making it feel a little bit more chilly than it is, but temperatures near 40 right now in the Valley cities with that light breeze. Other than that, we are in the clear for the time being. So here's what we're watching over the next couple of days. A seasonally mild Sunday for Christmas as high pressure sticks around in our forecast. Very cold up here. Certainly doesn't feel like 38 degrees up here. Feels a lot chillier than that with wind gusts, probably 15, 20 miles per hour up here on the rooftop. It is December up here, Kyla.
Yes.
I've got the winter coat on, but I don't wear socks, as you know up here.
Yeah.
So
I'm
kind of struggling with that. Live-eyed, some lake effect snow streamers now kind of feathering their way across the southwestern portion of the state. That's kind of the same story that's happening in western New York as well.
Can I see your hands? Do you have gloves on up there?
I do not. Dave Kaharchik and I both need to invest in some, I think.
You needed gloves for Christmas. I wish I would have known. I would have gotten for you. I know it's cold up there, huh?
Very, very chilly up here, Monica. Temperatures in the lower 20s, but a lot. Thanks, Natalie. Here's your Friday weather planner. A great day on tap. Mostly sunny skies. 80 degrees for our high temperature. Got more weather details coming up after the break.
And now, your weather authority, certified by the Weather H seal of approval.
Well, we're wrapping up a very chilly weekend across northeastern and central Pennsylvania. Chilly being an understatement. Places today did not even reach the 20-degree mark in some spots. Live-eye Doppler radar this evening. Here's the good news. We are absolutely dry and mostly clear skies throughout the entire Commonwealth of Pennsylvania this evening. So obviously here we are reaping in those benefits. But the bad news is by tomorrow morning, those clear skies really allowing those temperatures to plummet to near 0 degrees, especially in the hilltops. Over on WeatherBug, our quick stop tonight is in Mountaintop at Fairview Elementary. 12 degrees right now. And once again, that's here in the Valley cities. Up in the northern tier, we're talking single digits at this hour. Satellite and radar, as I mentioned before, nothing but clear skies across the entire Commonwealth. And as this goes on, I think the clouds will start to bump up tomorrow afternoon. So this means tomorrow morning, some sunshine for most of us here in northeastern and central Pennsylvania. But as the day goes on, we are watching another low pressure system move its way out of the Great Lakes into our neck of the woods. First as clouds, and then maybe a wintry mix before we go to bed tomorrow night. So here's what we can expect. Clouds on the increase tomorrow, and once again, that is our next storm system. It'll get in here by about lunchtime, first in the form of clouds. Then it'll start as a wintry mix as we head past dinner time, and then overnight tomorrow, maybe some snow changing over in the hilltops, and then all rain by Tuesday. That's what it's looking like at this point, with temperatures well above the freezing mark on Tuesday. Windy yet again on Wednesday, though. A few Alberta clippers into the weekend. They'll be hitting us about every 24 hours as we get into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Little to no accumulations expected by the later portion of the week. So some winds by midnight tonight. This forecast model showing pretty calm winds, but as we head throughout the day tomorrow, we start to become more and more gusty. Sustained winds tomorrow over 15 miles per hour in some spots, 18 Scranton, 18 in Towanda, which means winds will be gusting over 25 miles per hour once again. And as we get into the day on Tuesday, the winds start to die down, but then Tuesday night, they bump back up, and Wednesday, I think, will be a very windy day after the cold front from that storm system passes. So some temperatures outside right now, 16 degrees in Scranton, also in Buffalo. Notice 2 degrees up in Burlington, Vermont. That intense cold air up to our north and to the east. The good news is it'll stay there over the next couple of days. We get more mild heading into Tuesday, but we're going to have to deal with some raindrops as that jet stream lurks ever closer to the Mason-Dixon line. But on Wednesday, backs down to the south, and some more cool air from the north starts to penetrate the northeast. So some future temperatures tomorrow morning. This model forecasting temperatures in the single digits. Once again, the calm winds, so it'll feel just as those temperatures are. As we head throughout the day tomorrow, high temperatures right around the freezing mark. And then as we go throughout the evening, well, they won't be changing very much. So wrapping this all up in a forecast, overnight tonight, 10 in the valleys, much colder than that already in the hilltops, mostly clear and cold. Temperatures in the single digits in the hills. In the northern tier 4 tomorrow, mostly sunny. Afternoon clouds, 34 in Towanda. In the Poconos, 27, still cold. A wintry mix likely later on in the evening. 33 in the Lehigh Valley and Schuylkill County. Seasonal temperatures and clouds on the increase. Afternoon wintry mix out towards central PA. Right here in the Valley cities, 32, plenty of sunshine. So here's our extended forecast. Tomorrow being MLK Day, not a lot of people at work. It'll look like a pretty nice day in the beginning, and then the wintry mix later on. And then, hey, it's winter all week. Temperatures right around freezing.
All right, Kyle, thank you.
Yes.
Foxcats.
Sunshine and 40s this weekend. If you look outside right now, it is snowing for a lot of you in central northeastern Pennsylvania. Your exclusive live Doppler showing just that. This is a well-delineated snow squall moving out towards central Pennsylvania about an hour and a half ago or so, and now it's starting to break up as it's headed across northeastern Pennsylvania. It'll completely feather itself out by about midnight tonight. So if you're driving tonight or early tomorrow morning, be cautious on the roadways. Over to WeatherBug, some temperatures outside right now, 35 up in Scranton. The temperatures you're seeing on your screen right now, why are they significant? Well, those are about the average high temperatures for this time of the year, kind of showing you just how mild we have been. Satellite and radar, zoom into the state of Pennsylvania. Well, there was that second clipper system in as many nights as it roars across the state. Now, as it zooms one more time, all of this back here towards northwestern Pennsylvania is lake effect snow. Why lake effect snow? Well, very cold air over the warm lakes will bring some of that lake snow across portions of New York State and also Pennsylvania and really the northeastern section of Ohio. But I think we'll dodge a bullet with this one and really get out of here unscathed when it comes to snowfall. Some locally heavy snow by tomorrow morning, but that is it. And I think the heaviest is done at this hour. We'll be dealing with some gusty winds, though, through about Monday evening. And then, well, if you don't like the chilly air tomorrow or the snow that we received overnight tonight, wait till Tuesday and Wednesday. High pressure builds in. We're talking temperatures near 50, and then an air mass change by next weekend, and things can get interesting around these parts. Maybe a winter snowstorm heading into next weekend. Wind speeds for tomorrow morning. Watch the time on the titles we head throughout the day. Sustained wind speeds throughout the day tomorrow, at least 15 miles per hour, which means winds can be gusting, especially in the hilltops, to close to 35. As we head throughout the day on Tuesday, it looks like once the cold front gets in here Tuesday afternoon, we get gusty once again. And then finally on Wednesday, the winds start to calm down as we head throughout the morning hours. The cooler air we saw today, well, it's with us tomorrow as well, but then we get mild, as I said before, Tuesday and Wednesday as the jet stream kind of cuts across the Mason-Dixon line and bring some of that southerly warm air into our neck of the woods. Tonight's forecast, we'll call it 24. Some snow showers, some of them heavy, but I think the heavy ones are over at this point. Just more of a locally heavy snow shower or flurry between now and dawn. 31 degrees tomorrow in the northern tier, cloudy and chilly. In the Poconos, we'll call it 30, gusts over 25 easily tomorrow. 35, Lehigh Valley, Schuylkill County. Windy conditions out towards central PA. 34, morning flurries tapering off quickly. 32 in the Valley Cities, a cooler day than today by about 10 degrees. Here's your extended forecast. Don't forget the meteorologist's favorite holiday on Thursday. That's Groundhog's Day. Looks like we'll be in for a mix during the morning hours and then maybe some snowfall Friday into Saturday. Lori, we'll see how that plays out by the later portion of the upcoming week. But for the meantime, enjoy the 50s Tuesday and Wednesday.
Oh, I will. Thank you.